Ilang episodes ako naka-top 2 pero never ako nanalo. Hindi pa ba enough? Ano ba yung purpose ko? Bakit ba ako nandito? Bakit hindi pa ako nananalo?
That's true.
Gigil ako. Give it to us.
Ako, honestly speaking, nung episode talaga natin ng Samba, I was really hurt.
Doon ko na-feel yun.
Like, I was deeply hurt. Like, I felt like we could have, like, won that episode.
Doon ako naiiyak sa part na nagawa natin siya, wala tayong mali. Dahil sa hirap nga ng ginagawa namin, doon sa challenge, parang yung validation is winning eh.
Siguro in perfect timing, and I think ito na yung perfect timing natin to actually, you know, win.
This is our time.
Yeah, this is our time.
That was a very heartfelt, moving, buong performance from Glyza and JM. And your concept is?
Fallen angel. He saw me in the dark, and then she was just trying to help me to bring me back up to the light. So,
Kinonceptualize ni Coach Angel.
Yes.
Ang aming real angel.
yes.
Nahin kita yan. Kamusta sa'yo yun?
Glyza, ang alam ko, sumali ka dito sa Stars on the Floor bago ka tuluyang pumunta sa next level ng iyong buhay, which is motherhood. Tama? Alam mo, kung sakali mang nagkaroon ka na, napanood ng anak mo to, alam mo sasabihin niya, Mom, I'm very, very proud of you. Sabihin niya, that's my mom.
Thank you, sir.
And of course, si JM, umpisa pa lang nang humiga siya. Pasensya ka na, Glyza. Kung nag-artista to, mukhang siya ang lalaban sa'yo sa Best Actress. Pinatunayan mo, kaya mo makipagsabay sa isang Glyza De Castro.
I'm honored. Thank you po. Thank you.
Coach Jay.
Napahinga lang ako ng malalim.
Paano?
Okay.
JM, yung nag-slide ka from isang side. Ang linis.
Parang may tumulak, ang smooth, no?
Parang inusog lang ng gano'n.
Paano yun, Coach? Ay, hindi na pala. Pala hindi.
Kay Glyza naman, match na match kayong dalawa. Si Glyza kasi, yung mukha niya. Si JM, yung ano naman niya, technique sa movement. So, kumbaga...
2 as 1.
Yes.
As one.
Thank you, Coach. Mang,
Kayong dalawa, magmula ng umpisa, lagi ko kayong hinahanapan ng kahinaan, pero wala akong nakita. And now, ito, na ngayon na may props tayo na ginagamit, sobrang gamit na gamit talaga ninyo. Pagod na pagod yung ladder eh. I love it.
kakausay. Thank you, Dance Authority. Glide, JM.